Top 10 Auto Repair in Rochester. 1. AGR, All German Repair, Automotive LLC Tire and Auto Repair. 5. 113 Reviews, MT Raid Boulevard Suite D. 2. MLD Auto Repair, formerly known as 5 Kings Auto Repair, 530 Reviews, North Clinton Avenue. 3. Independence Car Care Center, 4.9 628 Reviews, West Ridge Road. 4. Schoen Auto, 4.9 443 Reviews, Linden Avenue. 5. Morris Auto Repair and Collision Incorporated, 4.9 271 Reviews, Lightfoot Street. 6. D&B Auto Service, 4.9 172 Reviews, and Hope Avenue. 7. Mighty Automotive Service, 4.9 171 Reviews, Rockwood Street. 8. Andrea's Auto Repair Shop, 4.9 31 Reviews, Lake Avenue. 9. Vesa's Automotive, 4.8 729 Reviews, University Avenue. 10. Browncroft Garage, 4.8 374 Reviews, Atlantic Avenue.